In the first part of this video, we talked about the Spark 1595's value to small and medium businesses. Now let's go ahead with the initial setup of the appliance we unboxed. To get to the first-time wizard, all you need to do is connect your device to power and internet. For this video, I chose the Wi-Fi enabled model, so once on, it broadcasts its SSID, which you can connect to using any Wi-Fi enabled device such as a laptop, tablet, or smartphone to initialize the gateway. The gateway is on, so let's connect to it. For the purpose of this video, I chose my laptop, but the principle of this process is the same for any of the other devices I mentioned. Go to the Wi-Fi networks, find the gateway SSID, and connect to it. You will need a password to connect. Both the SSID and password are located on a sticker attached to the bottom of the device. On your laptop, you will need to open your browser and enter the default IP address for the appliance, which is 192.168.1.1 on port 4434, or simply type my.firewall. This information can be found in the Quick Start and online guides. The first screen we will encounter will require us to decide on the admin password and the rules governing it. Pressing Next will bring us to the time and date setting screen, and in the next screen, we will set our appliance's name. We now start the actual software setup. This screen sets the device management to a local one versus a central organizational management that is done in the main office. Press Next to get to the internet setup screen and set your connection parameters, and then set up the LAN for all the devices connecting to your new gateway. Following that is the Wi-Fi network setup, which sets the SSID and access password. And next is the administrator access control. In this screen, we need to activate our license. The easy way to do it is by pressing the Activate License button, which will connect to your Checkpoint User Center and retrieve the license from there. If at this point you are not connected to the internet, you can do it offline by loading the license from a local location, or you can defer this action to a later time. The penultimate screen is the one determining the level of security this gateway will enforce by turning on the relevant blades. Pressing Next will bring us to the last screen with a setup summary, where the Finish button will save the setup configuration, and in a couple of minutes, the appliance is set up and ready to start securing your business. This concludes our unboxing session of the Quantum Spark 1595 Pro. In summary, Quantum Spark security gateways deliver AI-powered threat prevention performance up to 5 gigabits per second with a 99.8 block rate of cyber attacks, scalable network security for a wide range of use cases, zero-touch provisioning for easy setup, and integrated cloud security services like IoT and SD-WAN, with a consolidated cloud management for managed services providers, just to name a few. Quantum Spark is perfect for small and medium-sized businesses that want to enjoy enterprise-level threat prevention technology at a better price performance, making it even easier on your organization's budget. Stay tuned for more Checkpoint videos, and thank you for watching.